guys doing today? For the ones that don't know me, my name is Fidel. I'm a day trader, and today, you guys, I want to talk about the question I've been getting recently about what's my daily routine or what I do to start my day. And because majority, I try to be consistent. I try to become a successful trader consistently, independently, every single day, locking in profit in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. So today, you guys, I'm about to make that video about what I do to start my routine. Okay, so first, you guys, as soon as I open my eyes, it's usually like around 5 a.m. Around that time, I'm opening my eyes, and if I swing a stock, the first thing I do, I open my iPhone or my tablet and I see where's the stock at. All right, because majority of the stocks will start moving after 4 a.m. my time, California Pacific Standard Time. Okay, so that's what I first do. I look at the stock, and like if I swing a trade overnight and I see the next day how it's performing, how's the validity or the volume. Okay, so that's the first thing I do, you guys. Second thing I do, you guys, I get up, I get ready, I put on some clothes. You know, I just walk from my bedroom to my office, which I'm at right now, and I put on some clothes and I go get my Keurig ready and make myself some coffee real fast. Okay, after I make myself some coffee, I step into my office, and what I do is after I step into my office, I get my notepad. As you can see right here, I always have my notepad, a pen, as you can see right here, because I'm always ready to take some notes. I'm always ready to see, you know, what's moving, what is going on. So then I open my device, the devices I use to check my platform, to trade my brokers. Then I do a quick scan on the market real fast, and I see what's moving, what has high volatility or high volume, or maybe why it has moved 30, 40, 50% overnight. So I try to find the catalyst for that stock as well, so you could give me some more confidence when it comes time for me to trade it and knowing where to sell it. Okay, so that's what I do. First, I do a quick little scan. After I do the scan, you guys, I add it to my watch list. Okay, because I always make a watch list the day before for the next day. That was really important for you guys to get involved with the Discord group. I'll leave the link below. This Discord group, I share all the information, everything I'm trading. Besides that, I give a little bit of guidance as well, and I give you guys my watch list as well. And it's a good way for you guys to reach out to me if you guys have any questions or need some quick advice, or that one-on-one training, or would like to join the live trading platform that we do every day from Monday through Friday, from 6 a.m. as soon as the bell opens to 7 a.m. for a whole hour. We trade live. Okay, and you guys are basically watching me trade, and you guys are talking to me. You guys notice what I'm doing and everything, the whole enchilada. Okay, so basically that's what I do. After I do the updates, I add it to my watch list, then I post it on the Discord app, right where my Fidel's watch list only. I put updates right there, so you guys will be able to get notified as well. Okay, second, I start getting the trading platform for me to share my screen, for you guys to be able to hear me as well, and I update it as there as well. So when everybody gets ready, I'll start letting everybody in, make sure everybody starts logging in. I start giving them access so they could be ready and getting ready and be able to watch my screen and hear me as well as we're trading. So that's what I do after I update all the tickers that have moved overnight. Okay, I basically get the trading platform ready for me to train my members and for all the members that are involved for the live trading with Fidel. Okay, the seventh thing I do, you guys, as it gets closer to the bell, okay, because usually I'm sitting in my decks already like around 5:45. So as it gets closer to the bell, what I do is everything that I'm watching from my watch list and the updates, I start sorting out the trash. And the reason why I start sorting out the trash, because I notice the volume is not going nowhere, or the volatility is not doing as good as I expected. So then I throw it out. And the reason why I throw it, and I really don't throw it out, but what I do, I basically drop it to all the way down from my watch list. I drop them, and as it gets closer to the bell, as it gets closer to the bell, what I do, the ones that it seems like there's potential, seems like there's volatility, seems like there's heavy volume or some catalyst, I put those on top of my watch list. So those are the ones that majority of the time I will end up trading. All right, okay. So that's what I do. As it gets closer to the bell, I sort out the trash. Okay. Now, as soon as the bell rings, we are live. We are trading together, trading with Fidel, watching Fidel trade. You can hear Fidel trading what Fidel is trading, when to get in, when to get out with Fidel. Okay, so the first hour we are trading live. After we are done trading live, before I get off the call, I'll go over every recap on what I see that still has potential, so the members could keep a watch throughout the day, so if when they notice the right opportunity came, they'll be able to get in and get out with profit. Okay, so after that first hour, majority of the time I am done trading. It usually takes me about 10, 15, 20, maybe 45 minutes tops for me able to capitalize on a trade and be able to get in a trade and get out within minutes. Okay, after I do that, I end the call with the trainers. I go drop off my daughter to school, then I come back. When I come back, I open the platform again and I go over what is going on, if anything has changed within those 10, 15, 20 minutes that I've been gone, because penny stocks or high volatility stocks move very fast. So then I do a quick recap again. After that, if there is any updates, I will post them up again on Discord app. After I lock in my profit from trading in the morning, if there is any trades that I took, I don't trade anymore. I don't trade for the rest of the day at all. I'm very disciplined that if I made 10% and above, I'm done for the day. What I do for the rest of the day, I do train one-on-one. I have several members that I have been trading one-on-one. Besides that, I help them out. I watch the stock market all the way to 3 p.m. my time, California Standard Time, to the time it closes. And if I see any opportunities or any changes on the stock or the ticker that I think there's potential there, I will post it again on the Discord app, or let my students know as well, because they have special access to special channels that they will receive direct information from me, telling you guys when to get in and when to get out from what I see. And what I do is after the market closes, is that I basically, let's say if it's getting closer to 3 o'clock my time, Standard Pacific California time, the market closes at that time for me, and I have the watch list already ready for the next day. As soon as the market closes, I post up the watch list for my students, for my members, because a lot of my students are in the other side of this country, over the East Coast. Okay, some of my students are in South America, and some of my students are in the UK, in London, United Kingdom. So as soon as the market closes, I post up the watch list, because we're on different time zones, so to be able to get their watch list ready, be able to study why I posted that ticker, because of the potential that I see for it the next day. All right, and that's it. That's what I basically do, and the next day I'll repeat the process all over again. But the goal is to basically lock in profit. My goal is to lock in at least 10% profit every trade. I do my best to take one trade at a day, one trade at a time, and I try to do my best to be consistent, focus, be patient, and be very disciplined to take the time to wait for the right time to get in and get out with profit. And sometimes, like for example, today there was a lot of tickers that were going, several tickers were going supernova, but I was just focusing on the ones. And if the ones didn't show me the right opportunity, I would just wait. Every couple minutes or every couple hours, I come and I check. I check on Stockmaster. I just set alerts to help me keep track of it. So when I notice the right opportunity comes, I get in, I get out, and I make it happen. So real quick, traders, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys, again, follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and make sure you guys join the Discord app. Again, this is very, it's very profitable for you, because it will help you out a lot. You'll be able to communicate with me. You'll be able to gather my information, my watch list, and you'll notice what I'm trading and how I'm making things happen there. So that helps out a lot. And if you ever need anything, just give me a holler. All right, so make sure you guys subscribe, join the groups. Okay, traders, that's basically my daily routine. All right, and I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.